Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today I am at Jack Spirko's workshop, TSP, was it 2024? So I'm gonna make a few videos while I'm here, just showing you some of the different stuff, a little bit shorter ones here and there, but you got to check this out. These things are awesome. Just flip your. This is a gourd. Like, let me show you my hand for reference. I mean, you can see these things are like 4 foot long. And he said it's like a squash. I'm gonna put the actual name. I'll put it below somewhere or something. That way you can see it. Sorry about the chainsaw behind me. Hopefully I can edit that noise out. But these things are huge and they're extremely resistant or proof, like vine borer and stuff like that. So they cook up, tastes basically like a summer squash. They keep pretty good until you cut them open. We're hopefully gonna be able to get some of the seed from these, and I can take them home and check them out. But I mean, like that one there, that thing looks like it's probably a good 5 feet. And he started them over there and trellised them up, he said, and then they trellised in this tree. You got to check this out. Where is that? Way up there. Some big old gourds like this. And he harvested them a lot shorter than this. I think it was around like 8 inches, 9 inches. But he wanted some to go to seed for the students here. And to me, they look like giant green beans. Like something out of Willy Wonka's factory. You know, giant green beans growing in a tree. Granted, it's not candy, but it's vegetables, whatever. But yeah, so excited to check those out. And just wanted to share that with y'all. And then, yeah, we're going to be checking some other spots out. Might do a little thing about the pond or some of the other stuff he's got going on here. There's just so much cool stuff that he's got going on here from over the years. So that's it. Like, share, and subscribe, and talk to y'all later. Bye.